Hi there, I'm Adam Terley. I'm going to be talking a little bit about homeopathics. Homeopathics is a theory that like cures like. The application of this is taking substances that cause side effects. What I've experienced is ipecac, which is supposed to make you nauseous, vomit, all that sorts of wonderful stuff. And you take those substances and you dilute them and agitate them over and over and over again until they don't really even exist anymore. And it's supposed to have the opposite effect, so that an ipecac homeopathic remedy will actually cure nausea. There's a lot of scientific claims that they have, but what's really kind of worrisome is that a lot of their research isn't complete. And homeopathics has been around for over 200 years. Things that they say on the web, I looked up two different homeopathy sites, the Society of Homeopathy and the American Institute of Homeopathy. The Society of Homeopathy says it still needs to be tested to see how well homeopathics works, if it has any different effect than placebo, and how can such diluted things actually work. Part of that is because the diluted homeopathic remedy, which is diluted in water or alcohol, has absolutely no molecular difference than the original water or alcohol that would be used to dilute the substance. So it would have no real effect as far as I could see, because it's exactly the same as water or alcohol. But water's supposed to have some sort of memory. This is their claim, at least, that would allow it to retain those things and then cure what it originally would cause. There's also what they say. This exists in modern science as it is. They use the example of Ritalin, which is an excitatory thing. And what they're saying is that because this is excitatory given to hyperactive children, that this is a base that like cures like. But from what I understand, what we learned in our psychology class, is that it activates unstimulated transmitters, neurons, whatever they are, and puts them up to the same speed as the other ones, allowing them to function, not really calm down, but allowing them to focus and to function. That's what I understand about Ritalin. So that's not exactly the same as like cures like. It's just fixing a thing in the brain, allowing them to function and to focus, instead of it's like, we're just going to excite them more and that will bring them down. So this is what I'm looking at. There's no clinical studies that I could find that actually support it. The Society of Homeopathy has a link for some supposed clinical studies, but the link will not open itself. And it's a little bit worrisome. I've heard testimonials of people, but it really doesn't make sense. Things dropping on people's feet that should have broken it or bruised it, and nothing happened because they took homeopathic remedies. But that's what people believe, and they're welcome to their beliefs. But as far as I can see, there's no science backing this up, and their own claims are kind of working against them, in my opinion. So that's homeopathics.